subdued quarter. Ekta, you were on that con call. Tell us, I mean, nothing compared to the fireworks we saw in Tata Motors con call, but run us through those details. That stock as well came off the highs yesterday.
Yes, absolutely. Not as fiery as what we heard in the Tata Motors conference call. But for Sun Pharma, you know, the key takeaways were with regards to Halol. Remember that in the latest inspection, which just took place in 2016 in November, December, that actually they received 9 observations from the US FDA afresh. So what the management did say is that they are in touch with the US FDA. They're responding in terms of all of the remediation measures which have to be undertaken, but nonetheless they expect the Halol remediation to still be a few quarters away. Now that means that people who were expecting Halol's remediation to actually be in September of 2017, that would become the best case and not the base case anymore. That's what Credit Suisse has written in their report as well. So that means that the Halol remediation is pushed into the year as opposed to expecting it earlier. They also mentioned that they are transferring critical products from the Halol plant in order to be safe, so to mitigate risk. And this is something that a couple of analysts and even some buy-side guys took a little negatively in my conversation post the conference call, because they said that this was something that was not guided for earlier. It probably indicates a little bit of lack of confidence also at this point in time in terms of the Halol remediation. So that's the feedback I got, but it could just be mitigating of risk. That, as well as the fact that the base business in the US is facing pricing pressure at this point in time. The guidance for the entire year is maintained at 8 to 10%, and this is despite the growth for 9 months exceeding it. So there is a possible sequential decline which is also expected in the numbers going forward, and that too made the street a little bit cautious in terms of the Sun Pharma call. So overall, a lot of the brokerages have cut their EPS estimates today. No change in ratings as far as I know, but nonetheless there's been a tweaking in terms of target price and EPS for most of the brokerages. I expect the stock to be subdued today.